Good morning, KG3. Today we're going to learn how to model, count, and write number 15. Let's take a look and think about it together using some 10 frames. How do you know you have 15 without counting every counter? Here we have 10 frames, and here we have lots and lots of counters. But these are counters that we can't count. Let's use the 10 frames. I'm just going to put them in without counting them. Just watch me and make sure I'm putting one counter in each little frame. Each little cubby hole gets one counter. I filled up the entire 10 frame, so I didn't have to count because it's a 10 frame. Let's see what it looks like by filling in another 10 frame and see how much we fill up. Now, again, no counting. I'm going to put this one in here, that one goes in there, and this last one right here. So, what we see here without counting is that this represents the number 5. So, what do we have? We have 10 and we have 5. What's the number that equals 10 and 5? It's the number 15. So, without counting at all, we have 15 counters. I can put 10 counters in the 10 frame to model 10 ones and 5 more ones below it to show 15. I can show 15 by writing a 1 and a 5 right next to it. And if you actually want to write it out in words, this is the way we write 15. F I F T double E and N. That's the word 15. Let's do this exercise together. There are 14 children sitting on chairs. There is one chair with no child on it. How many chairs are there? We need to find out how many chairs there are. There is one chair with no child on it. So there are 14 and one more chair. How many chairs are there in all? So 14 plus 1 equals 15. There are 15 chairs. Thank you for listening.